Curry pizza, curry mango. Pizza bourguignon, beef de bourguignon. Yeah, curry mango. Sa siya beef normal. Pizza beef normal. Bourguignon. Bourguignon pizza. Bourguignon pizza with a persil. This one is curry mango. Curry mango. This one, both are delicious. So delicious. Normal. Curry, chicken curry, curry. Mango curry. Curry mango. So that's the pizza of tonight, guys. The dough crust pizza, look, there's a throw. Tap, tap. This bubbles. So this is just cooked in a normal oven, guys. So this is a thin. This is not thick dough, guys. This is only on the side, but on the middle is thin pizza. But it looks like thick pizza. But it will be cooked more in the oven tomorrow, guys. That is not final. It will be warm. So that's why it is like that. Because tomorrow it will be warm tomorrow. So we did not cook completely. So you can just see, it's not yet really cooked. There were part I forgot to put. Not bad. Okay, pizza. Homemade pizza. I like both, guys, especially this one. I like this one, mango curry. I love the mango curry, guys. It looks so delicious. But there were more there, guys. This one is also mango curry. Both are delicious. It looks delicious and yummy. So that's it, guys. Bye for now. I got 2 big pizza there. I already covered. So there were 2 big pizza, 1 small there. So there were 5, 6, 8 all in all. Plus, I have here 10 pizza. Oh, I forgot this one. This one is a normal beef. I need to cook normally. More. I already tasted, guys. This one, yum. Looks the crust. That's how thin is the crust. This one is thin crust. Yum. It should be cooked normally tomorrow. crunchy and yummy. So I was able to make 10 pizza. But this one I will be the one to eat. All delicious. All are delicious. So delicious. Love this one. Very thin, crisp, thin pizza. This one, there's no sugar, guys. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 and 2 big pizza. And I still have a remaining here. Little sauce. You still have bourguignon. Sauce de bourguignon. Leave it like that for the moment. I will see. So that's it, guys. That makes me busy. Not busy. I'm enjoying the kitchen a while ago. But this is my pizza now. I'm cooking a pizza, guys, for my neighbors. Yum, 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 yum. I love it. Very delicious. There's also a pepperoni, but I cannot remember now. Where is it? Maybe on the big pan. There's a pepperoni pizza. Curry pepperoni, and tomorrow I will make seafood pizza. So let's eat, guys. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. So pizza. Hello, guys. That's a pizza of tonight. So catch you next time, and thank you for watching. It's midnight down here, so nearly midnight. So I would like to make a big shout out to all my channel members: Marlix Journey, Alan Cabato, Elaine from Virgo, Foodman Paul Vlogs, Lolito World Trucker. Special thanks to Jan Gunbin and Princess Anne Boon. Well, thank you so much guys for watching, and to all my viewers, thank you guys, and of course to my avid fan, the legendary YouTuber. Shout out, and Joyzy Infuso. Shout out guys. And to all of you guys who are watching this video, thank you all so much. Well, I apologize. I was not able to document the whole process guys because I was in a hurry to do all the pizza. Because the fermentation guys, once it is overdue, you cannot get a nice puff of your pizza. So there's a chance, especially my oven only one and cannot accommodate more in one time. So I must be in a hurry. Once it's open, it should be fast to do everything. So that's what happened guys. So I don't have much time to prepare for video and to set up my camera. So that's it guys. I hope next time I could continue to document my pizza making. Okay, bye guys. And thank you so much. Bye. Till next time.